everybody, this is Sophia from Stanwood. Today I will introduce our working temperature chamber. The temperature range of this chamber is -70 to 150. The cooling rate of this chamber is 0.7 to 1.5 degrees per minute, and the heating rate of this chamber is 3 to 5 degrees per minute. The temperature uniformity of this chamber is -+2 degrees.
The inner chamber material is made of SUS 304 stainless steel with 1.5 mm thickness. The external material is made of cold rolled plate with 2 mm thickness. It has gone through brushing, polishing, painting treatment, so not easy to scratch. The insulation material is made of polyurethane foam, and the insulation thickness is 100 mm. The door adopts double silicone rubber sealing material. Sealing effect is very good. The observation window is 4 layers of temporary glass. The size you can choose by yourself. In addition, in order to prevent glass frosting when running low temperature, we set up a heating wire with safety voltage 24 volts, and we set up a LED lamp on the window to provide lighting for observation. Both sides of chamber are equipped with 2 test cable ports with diameter 100 mm. The plug material is silicone rubber, high low temperature resistance, and also could preserve heat. The door is a double door design, and the lock is developed and designed by Stanwood, which adopts level principle. Push slowly, lock tightly. The material of the floor is SUS 304 stainless steel, and use the reinforcing rib to strengthen the floor, so its load bearing is more than 1 ton. Our refrigeration system is a 2-stage system. 2-stage means that we use 2 compressors in the system. In this chamber, we use 2 semi-hermetic compressors from German, famous brand Bock. The refrigerant is R404 and R23. This is the oil separator from American brand Emerson. Many used to filter impurities in the refrigerants, prevent the pipe from being clogged by these impurities. The cooling mode of this chamber is water cooling, and this is water-cooled condenser. This is a solenoid valve, also from Danfoss. Many used to control the flow of the refrigerant to save energy. This is the liquid receiver.
You can see that our circuit system is very neat and beautiful. Our circuit system, varying according to international standards, the layout and color of the wires are complied with the international standards and all equipped with line numbers. All parts come from international famous brands such as Schneider from Germany, Carrot from Switzerland, Mitsubishi from Japan, Rainbow from South Korea.
This chamber uses the Stanwood controller because this chamber has some special functions. For example, gas detection, out fire. So we research and develop this controller. This controller with color touch screen 7-inch is very convenient when we use it. This controller has a USB port for user to download the test data. Minimal display resolution of this controller Temperature is 0.01 degree. Humidity is 0.01%. Operation mode, you can choose fixing or programming. Can set program 120 groups. Each group has 99 segments, 999 cycles at total. And this controller has several language options: English, Korean, Russian, Chinese, and Japanese. And this is a display screen, which is connected with the camera, so that we can observe the situations inside the chamber. There are a lot of other function buttons on the control panel. For example, firefighting systems, gas detection, test load, release of CO2, exhaust, and so on.
Equipped with international power supply system, which is convenient for supplying power for testing samples. Voltage is 220 volts.
Our chamber is equipped with 4 pressure monitoring meter. Customers can easily to check the pressure of the compressors. This chamber has explosion protection function. So on the top of chamber, equipped a pressure relief hole to prevent the pressure inside the box is too large. Below the control panel has a small drawer for user to keep the papers or tools. There is a cabinet next to the chamber. It is the placement of the CO2 tank. This is a 3-color light. We can know the running condition from this light. In the chamber equipped with heat-resisting lamps. Inside the chamber equipped smoke sensor. When fire breaking out inside the chamber, the smoke alarm will turn on, and then the system will release the CO2 to put out the fire. This chamber equipped a camera. We can clearly observe and record the status of the products through the camera. This chamber's air circulation mode is air out and air return.